Hey guys, so in the comment section down below, I'm gonna show you this receipt that I had. Like, what are the chances of me on my receipt, I was number 589. Literally 589. That's crazy. Yeah, so crazy things could be happening any time. That's what I said in like a couple videos back. Like a month ago, I was like, XRP could literally take off at any moment. And I said, look out for the summer blackouts. So the summer would be the earliest, best case scenario for crypto and XRP to start taking off. Yeah. So 50% rally. Is this going to be a bull trap or a bull rally? Potential 50% increase before another leg down, potentially. An example would be XRP to 45 cents before it goes back down. That would mean it would break through the higher high of 40 cents and try to go to the horizontal resistance level of 50 to 55 cents. If it gets rejected through the horizontal resistance line, then yeah, it could potentially go back down. Plus, we are still in a downward trend, and we haven't broken through the 40-cent higher high since May of 2022. So that's the first thing we got to break through before we even have any chance of a reversal. So far, there's still no signs of a reversal. The potential 50% increase is great for traders because these traders can sell if XRP struggles to break through the higher high of 40 cents, like I said, or the resistance level of 50 to 55 cents before retesting the descending downward trend line. But for people who are only accumulating and not trading, they could have potentially bought at 30 cents when the price could still drop below 20 cents. But it's still a smart move for some people to dollar cost average in just in case it doesn't go below 30 cents again. Depends on your risk management and your strategy. I also know that at any time, XRP can decouple from the rest of crypto at any moment and just take off. Because if it's the phoenix rising from the ashes, crypto and the economy could potentially crash while XRP takes off. Or the economy could be crashing while crypto takes off. But another thing that I found interesting is when I saw gas prices start to go down, I started wondering to myself, and I'm not sure if these two correlate, but when I saw gas prices going down, I started to wonder and speculate whether crypto would start going up right after seeing those gas prices going down. Because when gas was going up, crypto was going down. All right, so charts are showing a bear flag formation. So that's a big indication that got me thinking that maybe this is going to go, that crypto would crash down further into a bear market. So the bear flag formation means that the price can drop down at any moment as well. Traders with 20 plus years of experience are calling for another leg down, so price dropping lower after this price increase. Current XRP technical analysis for a reversal. XRP hasn't made a higher high since May of this year, for about a couple months now. The sellers have prevented XRP from breaking above the 40-cent higher high. Will Jed being out of XRP stop the selling pressure and push the price up? So far, the price has been pushed up, but that could be from, all these YouTubers hyping up crypto right now could be pushing the price up. So how high will the price go? Or did Jed sell his XRP before a massive crash? Nobody thought about that. Another reason for, this potential massive crash is, for one, the bear flag formation that I see in the charts. And two, all these insiders and millionaires are calling for a massive crash. So they could be lying to us, throwing us off, making us think that a massive crash is coming, when really it's going into a bull market. But this could be not a bull market. Yeah, bull market. But when it could potentially be a bull trap as well. We will just have to see. I know many professional traders are not expecting the bull rally to last that long, and they're planning to take profits once and if XRP struggles to break through the higher highs line of 40 cents or the 50 to 55 cent horizontal line or even the downtrend line. But for those only accumulating, this could be a bull trap before the prices goes much lower. Then they won't have any money left to buy into the lower prices. But 30 cents is still an amazing deal, you know. So if you guys bought at 30 cents, yeah, that's still dirt cheap. All right, so the 50 to 80% crash could take weeks or months to happen. Nobody knows for sure. I would say the earliest I'd be looking out for is this new moon, July 28th, for the prices to potentially start going down. But nobody knows for sure. But if it happens, I'll be watching to see if XRP breaks out of the 40 cent and the 50 cent places first for any sign of a reversal. Also, analysis predicting it to go around the 45 cent range could that mean that they believe it may go back down after that? So there's a lot of professional traders thinking that, yeah, this is going to be, you know, crypto's going to temporarily go up. Like, you know, like it could be a mini bull rally before another leg down. I'll also be watching out for the new moon on July 28th, where prices tend to start descending after a new moon. And new moons could be where the tops are, in theory. We just had a full moon, which has shown to be lows in price, and over a couple weeks can show price increases. So just having this full moon, yeah, I'm not surprised that prices are going up, and it could go up until the 28th. So I'm curious to see what happens after July 28th or around July 28th into August. If sellers push price below 28 cents, then it would create a long-term bearish market. And we were hugging the line of 28 cents, so we almost went into a further bearish market. But now we're at the top of the higher highs. We're at that line of the higher highs line. We got to break through 40 cents before we even have a chance of a reversal. And this is for XRP I'm talking about. What I mentioned in past videos, the earliest we can see XRP take off is the summer of 2022. Didn't I say that? I was the first person to say that. I don't think I heard anybody else talking about that after blackout reports. That's exactly what's happening now. I've heard of blackouts happening in many US cities already. Then right after that, XRP took off from 30 cents to now 37 cents, but it's struggling to go past that 40 cent line, which means we are not in a reversal yet. And I was the only one who mentioned a potential price increase in the summer right after blackouts. I also mentioned Ripple can settle with the SEC anytime between now and November 2022, and that would be another massive bull run, at least for XRP. You know, the price could like go crazy for like who knows how long it would go crazy for, a week, 2 weeks. But Garlinghouse, RippleNet's GM, and Ripple's lawyer, Jeremy Hogan, all said that the case can finish up Q1 of 2023. Jeremy said December 2022 to March 2023, the judge can decide who wins without going to trial. But again, the case could wrap up at any moment. I've also said someone had a dream of XRP going to $70 in 2022. So at some point, the price of XRP has to take off. So it can literally take off at any time. Is that time now? We will have to see. It may only be a 50% increase before dropping back down in price. There's many people believing XRP could go below 20 cents before shooting up to all-time highs. But it's also possible, that 30 cents really was the bottom. 10 months ago, I predicted a 2022 bull rally when nobody else did. So I guess that rally occurred this month in July 2022. I thought there'd be at least another leg down before that bull rally. But the bull rally, I guess, could be now in July. But the current hype could be pushing the price up. So how long could this actually last? It's a win-win for me whether the price goes up or down. That's why I bought XRP in the first place, because of course I want the price to go up. If the prices go up, awesome, my bags are already packed and I already have plenty of XRP to create generational wealth. But yeah, if the prices like go down, awesome, I'll be buying up XRP at 5 cents, 10 cents, or 20 cents. If it ever goes that low. Everyone hyped up Ripple being ahead of the SEC around April 2021, which hypes up the price temporarily, only for the price to fall from 150 to 50 cents right after that. So about a 70% crash after people were hyping up winning the case. July 21st, 2021 started that bull run. So, and I predicted that 2021 bull run. Interesting to see that parallel, because now there's a bull rally again in July of 2022, about a year later. If you're unsure as to what to do, you could always dollar cost average in. I do not give financial advice because I do a lot of risky investments. So it's up to you when you want to buy. Worst case scenario, the reset isn't until 2030, but there's already talk of them planning to expedite that. That's why I was, thinking maybe 2025, but I wouldn't be surprised if it happens in 2023. Who knows? All right, so millionaires stating there will be a crash soon. Would the crash just affect the economy and not crypto? Or were they lying to us about a crash? When in reality, it would be crypto going on a bull rally now. So I was getting a lot of my information from like insiders. So I don't know if this is a bull trap or they were lying to us about a massive crash coming. There were many millionaires and professional traders saying a crash is still coming. Or do the elites know a massive crash is coming, so they started a bull trap to get everyone to FOMO in right before a massive crash, so that people didn't have money left to buy in at the bottom? We will have to see. In summary, yes, this can be a bull rally or a short-term bull rally into an upcoming crypto crash. I'll be looking out for the new moon around the 28th for the possible price decline and seeing if XRP pushes through the 40-cent resistance level and the 50 to 55 cent horizontal resistance line for any chance of a reversal. If 30 cents was the bottom, then that wasn't really ashes at all, and I was never in the red since my average buy-in price was 30 cents anyways. If this is the bottom, then the insiders made it seem like it would be a lot worse than it actually was. I did buy more at 30 cents, but I could always sell a little bit if XRP can't break past these resistance levels that I mentioned. Then with the profits, buy back in at lower prices in the market if the market drops. I don't usually tell people about that because I don't want people asking me like when to sell, when to buy back in. I don't give that type of financial advice. That's why I just tell people to buy and hold. That's the easiest way to go about it. And yeah, so I know a lot of professional traders and myself bought at 30 cents, and then we could be selling if it doesn't go past these levels. Yeah, and I know a lot of people who bought Ethereum. Ethereum already went up 50%, and they already took, they're already sold and took those profits. All right, stay tuned for more videos. I have a couple more dreams to tell you guys about. All right, bye.